This could be the car for you. The 2021 Hyundai Palisade. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a new level of comfort and convenience on all your family outings in this spacious Palisade. Crossover versatility, flexible interior layout, advanced safety features, silky V6 power, and 3-row seating make this SUV an unbeatable value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, 3rd-row seat, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, satellite radio. Sophistication meets family-focused flexibility in this can-do Palisade. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.